This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
To renew the front wiper blades, pull the arm fully away from the glass until it locks. Press the release button with your fingers and slide the blade out of the arm. Gently lower the arm down to the windscreen. Pull the arm fully away from the glass again, then slide the new blade into the arm until the retaining clip engages. Gently lower the arm down to the windscreen. To renew the tailgate wiper blade, pull the arm away from the screen. Rotate the blade in the arm, then pull the blade from the slot in the arm. Gently lower the arm to the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen again, then locate the blade crosspin in the arm slot and press it firmly into place. Lower the arm to the screen.